guys, Gina here. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, in today's video, I am going to be taking down these lovely jumbo box braids that I got for my trip. I have had them for about 2 weeks now. They are very heavy. They are tight. When I flip them and stuff, they still hurt. I'm just done. I am done with them. When I go to sleep at night, they are just a hassle, a headache. They're cute. I got so many compliments on them, but I'm ready to take them out. I'm going to stand up and show you guys how long they are. Excuse how I look. This is like the real deal. Y'all know I don't put on no makeup. My background is really my background. And I have my nightgown on. So, excuse how I look. We're real comfortable right now. But, you see, they are very long. So, here's my hip, and they are like way down there. So, yeah. So, I have never had these before. This is my first time with braids like this. This is my first time with braids, period. Dang, that's crazy. But, so yeah, I watched a couple videos on how to take them down. So, this is how I'm going to take them down. I am just going to cut them and see what the hell happens. I'm scared because I don't really know how long my real hair is. We going to say we about here, sis. No, we going to say we about here.
What you see here is just me loosening up the braid all the way to the top until I get to the part that's anchored down, and it pretty much just slid right off, and then it just revealed this little thin piece of my hair that anchored in that big old jumbo braid. So I just would take the decorative band off and then just cut each braid at a certain length where I thought my real hair wouldn't be, and then just unloosened it all the way up.
I sure hope I didn't cut none of my real hair because that looks short. I know my hair is longer than this. I may have just made it. I just made it.
Use tubs, but this is such a...
It's kind of cool, I guess, the way they do it. It looks like she just braided my real hair a little bit and then braided into the other braid. Gotta damage your hair because, like, look how much hair, look how thick this is, and then look how small the anchor is. That is a small anchor for such jumbo hair. I'm getting a little nervous. I can say I'm getting a little nervous. Y'all watch my other little hair takedown video. My edges was getting kind of thin, so I really hope this didn't thin them out too much more. Almost done. Only have 3 left. I've been working on this for now maybe 30 minutes. So not that bad. Finally done. They are all out. All that's left is, like I said, little tiny braids. So I'm going to take those out off camera. And then I will come back. But this is how it looks. Somebody would probably actually wear their hair like this. I mean, it's not like ugly, but it's like a little teenager. It's like for like a little teenage girl. Alright, just so y'all can see, I think I showed y'all earlier, but this is the braid. It was anchored. And this is what I'm doing all over my head, is just taking it down, because only like an inch of each one is braid. All in the back, there were no braids like this. They were all rubber bands right here at the root. I don't know why the front, from the middle of my head all the way to the front, I don't know why it was braided at the root, and then all the other half in the back was little black rubber bands at the root. I don't know, but this is what I've been doing. Just undoing the braid and then just making sure like there's no tangles in it. Y'all check out my other braid takedown video. It was a tragedy. I have it linked below or up in the cards. That was braids that were underneath a wig for quite a long time. I'm gonna let y'all see it yourselves. But anyway, this is what I'm doing just to make sure there's no tangles. And this whole half of my head is done. So I still gotta do this entire half. Alright guys, so finally all of the little teeny tiny braids are out. I finger combed as much as I could. And this is the final result. So I have a lot of gunk and buildup around the edges and all throughout the hair. She used a really good, like, and it was I think it was like $10, a really good edge controller, and she used it on each of the braids. And then every day I would do a little bit of water and a little bit of gel around the edges just to lay down my baby hairs. So I need to shampoo my hair, detangle it, but this is how it looks with just braids fresh out. If you guys did like those jumbo braids, I will link the girl who did them. I will put her Instagram down below if you guys are interested in booking with her. She was very sweet. She did a really good job on them. And I kept them in for 2 weeks. She said people usually keep them in about 3 weeks, you know. But I was just a little bit uncomfortable with them. They were so cute and it was so easy for me to just get ready in the morning. They're very convenient, but I don't know, maybe I'm tender-headed or I just don't know. It was just so much, and then I have to tie my hair up under a bonnet for work every day. So it was a hassle for me, but I do recommend them. I definitely do recommend them. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm going to end the video here. Oh, your girl got inches. And like I said, let me know down below. Y'all know I am 100% natural. I have not had relaxer on my hair, a color on my hair, anything in my hair in over 3 years. My first time putting heat on my hair in about a year and a half was when I had to blow dry my hair out to get these braids. So I literally don't do anything to my hair. So it's really pretty healthy, I would imagine. But so yeah, if you guys want me to do more healthy hair, like tutorials, healthy hair journeys, why am I saying healthy hair? Natural hair tutorials, a natural hair journey, like what I did to become 100% natural, you guys let me know, okay? Alright guys, thank you for staying to the end. Until next time, bye.
Okay guys, so this is the next day and I just shampooed my hair. Sorry it looks disgusting. This is hair that I combed out of my head, and of course I took it out the drain, so that's why it looks disgusting like this, guys. It was, you know, some of it was in the drain, some of it is what I combed out of my head. But this is the hair that ripped out of my head due to those braids being in. So yes, I said, oh yeah, I recommend those braids. It ripped out so so much of my hair. This is unbelievable. I had them in for less than 2 weeks. I think I had them in for about 12 or 13 days. And for them to rip this much hair out is unbelievable to me. Like I said, that was my first time wearing braids. I knew they were heavy and they were so uncomfortable, and they never got more comfortable as time went on. But guys, just beware. Never ever again am I putting my hair through that much stress. That is nuts that for less than 2 weeks this much of my hair ripped out because I had heavy braids in.